Hello, and welcome to West Country Kitchen, where today we will be making meringue nests and raspberry coulis. No, not yet! No! For this, you will need 115 grams of icing sugar, 115 grams of caster sugar, 2 punnets of raspberries, and 4 egg whites. Also lemon juice, but that's still in the fridge.
Oh, fancy seeing you here.
First of all, you need to beat the eggs into a nice frothy mixture until it becomes not yet, Bunty! Until it reaches soft white peaks.
Looks like semen. Rowley, I think we're finished!
Are we? Let's have a look. Yes, Bunty, that is definitely soft white peaks.
How do you know?
Now for the test.
No, Rowley, please don't do it! Rowley, no! It's alright then, isn't it? Brilliant!
Now, whilst whisking, we must incorporate the sugar. Not yet, Bunty! Gradually, a tablespoon at a time, waiting until the sugar is fully incorporated before you add any more. Now, whilst whisking, Bunty!
Oh, right, okay. Sorry, Master.
Begin. 1 tablespoon. Wait. 2 tablespoons. Wait. 3 tablespoons. Now sift a third of the icing sugar into the mixture and beat with a large spoon.
Spoon!
That's right, Bunty. We use spoons for beating.
What about that belt you used last night?
We don't talk about that, do we, Bunty?
Alright, Master.
Right, now, beat this away. And, might take a while.
Evidently.
Shut up, Bunty. But it's worth it, of course. And just cut to black for this bit. Just cut to black for this bit.
Alright.
Right. Now that that's done, slowly beat it in. Wait, does it say mix or beat?
Beat!
Beat. Oh, got a bit there.
We'll have a good old beating round here.
No, we don't. Don't talk silly now, Bunty. And we just incorporate that slowly until it's all mixed up. Like so. As you can clearly see. And then repeat 3 times until all icing sugar is incorporated. Preheat your oven to 100 degrees centigrade.
Shouldn't you have said that earlier, Rowley?
Shut up, Bunty!
Why are you going to be a little bitch to me, Rowley?
And spoon out your meringue mixture into nice little piles. We've added red food colouring and marbled it to create a pink marbly effect.
Goat's blood!
It's not goat's blood! Here is the first batch. As you can see, we have added
Goat's blood!
red food colouring for the marbly effect on top. However, this has not quite worked out for the first batch.
Exhibit A.
Here is batch number 2. We did add the red food colouring beforehand whilst mixing, but not incorporating fully. And as you can see, the marbly effect is rather successful.
Now it's time to put them in the oven!
Alright, Bunty, are you ready to make the coulis?
Don't you think these are like mouse purses? Little mouse purses? Purses for mice?
Now it's time to make the coulis. The main ingredient of the coulis will be raspberry.
Rat satchels!
Will be raspberries.
Ferret fanny packs!
Will be raspberries. And we are going to blend these with 100 grams of castor sugar and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Don't go back. Where's that bloody lemon gone? Oh, I swear I put it down here earlier somewhere. Where's it gone? Maybe it's in the fridge. I'm not sure. Now it's time to blend the coulis. Oh.
Looks like goat's blood!
No it doesn't, no it doesn't look like goat's blood. Once it is fully incorporated, you can...
There you go again, that bloody incorporated your words from your bloody spirit.
Shut up, Bunty! What are you watching that video of that clock for again? For the final touches, we have layered our meringue in wine glasses with ice cream and raspberry coulis, like so. Cannot wait to start these. Join us in the next episode of West Country
Rowley,
Cooking.
what are you doing with my butt plug?